Morning, this is Jim Priday. It's August 6th and I'm at the wonderful Briarwood Sporting Club trout fishing on Pine Stream, and my dream was to catch a big trout this year, and especially a brown because they're my favorite species. And today we landed this morning. We landed this big huge brown trout, which I think is probably going to be way close to he's going to be over 10 pounds, probably 11 or 12 pounds even. I mean, I can hardly hold him up. He's great. Thank you to the staff. Thank you everybody. Thank you Chris and Christy. This is an old man's dream come true. Thanks again.